Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to film yourself to look cinematics. So the first thing that you have to know is just open your camera sections on your phone, and here you can use the front camera or back camera, it's all up to you, but then the important one is the angle of the camera that you can put. Make sure that you use a tripod, or you also use the things to make your phone stay stable, and after that you just need to go start creating or taking the video. And after you're done, you just need to go open the CapCut applications to edit further and make a cinematic video of it. Now you just need to go click this plus button and create the new video with the video that you already take before. Go click add, and now to make it look cinematic, you just need to play with the animations for the video. The first thing you need to do is just go click the clip, and after that take a look on these animations right here, and I would like to suggest you in the in animation you need to use the fade in, and you can also adjusting the duration. And after that, go with checklist button, means that you are done. And you can also split several parts here and add another animation with the fade in again, and adjusting the durations to make it like longer, the animations being applied. Go checklist button and just do the same. You can also use a transition by click this square between two clips right here, and just go find these animations. Found this one, go click it, adjusting the durations too, and go click close. And now let's just try to see the result. So that's the way, guys, how to film yourself to look cinematic. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you, so don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.